everyone, welcome back. The markets are looking very opportunistic right now. One thing that I can say is that I am not worried. My current outlook on the wider crypto market is very long term, and I hope I can persuade you to think the same way. All while the general crypto population is focused on the current demolishing of the prices right now, individual retirement funds are scooping up when the prices are looking really juicy. And as you can see on the screen, I Trust Capital is not the only one. I also have another article that I want to point out. Now, these are a little bit dated, but it still applies. We've been in this bear market for some time now. So without further delay, let's get right to it. I am no way, shape, or form affiliated with the company I Trust Capital. I just wanted to bring attention to this news due to the fact that it's an amazing opportunity to focus on retirement in your early ages. And this may not be a popular topic within my age group, but I am still here to pass out the information regardless of who wants it or who does not. So if you like to stay informed on the tools that you can use in the cryptocurrency space that bridges the traditional finance gap between retail investors and large businesses, then join our Discord because we have a lot of information, a subtle but growing community, and we would be more than happy to pass any information down because that's what we do in the crypto space. We bring each other up, we inform each other, and we invest in moonshot projects. Well, at least we try to. All right, let's get to the action. So as you can see here on the screen, I Trust Capital surpasses $5 billion in crypto IRA transactions. Why is this important? So I Trust Capital is an individual retirement account that basically custodies your crypto for retirement. Now you can go about this either two ways. You can do a Roth IRA or you can choose the traditional. Now both of these options have their own benefits. And if I were to choose, I do have a retirement account, but unfortunately it's not an IRA. Overall, I would choose the Roth IRA due to the fact that you already pay taxes on the money that you fund your retirement account with, and whatever you pull out years down the line is not taxable. That is the beauty of this crypto IRA and why a lot of people are starting to show interest. As you can see the headline, they have posted $5 billion worth of transactions in their crypto IRA. And another important tip here, individuals typically do not need to worry about capital gains taxes while trading in an IRA. For crypto investors, this could be an attractive feature, most definitely, and that's why I'm here bringing it to you, because we have to push this kind of information out there. A lot of people don't really think about retirement accounts, and if you have been following this channel for some time now, at some point in the past, we have talked about Social Security running out by 2040. Now, if you are currently in my age group, that'll be around retirement time. But I hope overall you understand the severity of this issue. Just taking finance into your own hands, and the crypto space really provides a beautiful opportunity for retail investors. Being able to participate in an asset class that will revolutionize our current financial system is a great opportunity. Now, I'll just finish this article off by reading a little passage here. As told by I Trust Capital, many of its users, ranging from millennials to working professionals to senior citizens, are trading cryptocurrencies for the first time. The firm only charges a 1% buy-sell fee on the cryptocurrency transactions. There are no monthly fees. Pretty good. And investors only need to deposit $1,000 minimum to open the account. Through the platform, users can trade over 25 cryptocurrencies 24 hours a day because crypto does not sleep. 7 days a week. It also provides insurance coverage for deposits in the amount of $320 million as per an agreement with Coinbase Custody. So like I said before, this individual retirement account custodies your crypto, which could be a con in the overall review of this company, an opportunity you could take. A couple more cons that I've seen amongst the community who actually use I Trust Capital is that their crypto selection is very limited. But at the same time, I think they have more than enough. They have the top 10, which is your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Litecoin, your ADA, your Avalanche, Polkadot, Solana, all of the good ones, I think, that are considered blue chip today. And by blue chip, I mean crypto projects with great reputations, and they have a standing credibility that is positive with the general crypto community. Another con that I noticed is that they do not have interest-bearing accounts. So as you have your crypto sitting in there, that's basically it. That's your only money generator. There's no passive income for your crypto that you leave on I Trust Capital's custody. Honestly, I don't really see that as a negative. While there is a lot of passive income to be made within these decentralized exchanges and native staking platforms, I don't really see you missing out on much when you can take advantage of such great tax benefits that I Trust Capital provides. And I think lastly, a negative, personally for me, is the fees. You do have a $1,000 minimum to start your individual retirement account, which is not a lot, but for the average person who really wants to start their retirement account, they may not have the $1,000. So it would be really nice to start with maybe $100 or maybe $50. Just my opinion. I'm pretty sure they will have some way to onboard everyone as adoption continues. And that's basically it for all of the negatives. They hold a ton of positive attributes as well, and that's the reason why I'm bringing this up. It's tax advantaged, so there will be a heavy tax deferral depending on which account you choose when setting up your retirement plan with iTrust Capital, so you can take advantage of all of the good stuff. You also have an option to buy gold and silver. While that's also another topic that's not really popular within my age group, investing in commodities is usually passed up upon, but it's good that you have the option to buy commodities such as gold and silver. I think that's the only two that they have. They also have good customer service, but I think I just read this in the company's own review of things that they boast about, and I'm pretty sure every company has good customer service, right?
I was a businessman doing business.
They also have in-kind transfers, which allows you to transfer crypto to crypto. So if you want to back out of one project and get into another that they offer on their website, you can do that tax-free. And in the US, that is actually a taxable event. So you will be saving a lot of headache or a lot of accountant logging if you choose to do in-kind transfers on iTrust Capital. It's also US regulated. In the article, you've seen that they were insured up to $300+ million, which is good. You can have that peace of mind knowing that while you do not hold the keys to your crypto, which would drive some Bitcoin natives or crypto natives up the wall, you can be rest assured that Coinbase Pro, I think it is, their custodian, has got your back. And they have 30+ crypto assets to choose from. So you have options, my friend. You have options. Now, the last article I want to talk about, Fidelity to let 401k customers add Bitcoin to their retirement accounts. So this is another retirement account topic. The reason why I believe this is significant is because Fidelity is one of the largest asset managers in the US. They have been around since the 1950s, so I believe they know a little bit of something about potential return on investments when they are putting their money into an asset. They also have, I believe, a little bit over $4 trillion in assets under management. So there is no lack of liquidity, no lack of capital when it comes to their customers' demand, depending on how much customers demand to actually add Bitcoin to their retirement accounts. But it looks like there is some demand because a company, a fund manager as large as Fidelity is not going to just jump into this space not knowing what their next move is. They know exactly what they're doing. They're going to scoop it up. We've been in a bear market for some time now. So this is the perfect opportunity for them to scoop up massive amounts of Bitcoin, which is already scarce. And it's dangerously close to sub 2 million coins that are currently left on exchanges. So they're slowly just running dry. And whether Fidelity buys straight from Coinbase or whatever institutional sized desk exchange they use, I'm pretty sure they will make a significant splash in the crypto market that we may not even see. And I will just finish this one off by reading a little passage from this article. Although it's considered highly unstable by most financial experts, Bitcoin reached its highest price last year, in part because more companies began accepting it as a form of payment. And another sign that cryptocurrency is gradually becoming a mainstream investment, Wall Street firms have created exchange-traded funds around crypto futures. Keep in mind that crypto futures have been around since early 2017, I believe. The first crypto futures was approved by the SEC. And I believe that is another reason why we have seen such heavy price manipulation, due to the fact that the futures market is not paired with any other like spot ETF. So it's basically just futures, derivatives going back and forth where people can bet on the price of crypto. And I just believe that leaves us susceptible to heavy price manipulation, as we have gained the attention of traditional investors with hefty pockets, if I may add. But there it is, as you can see, Fidelity is in the game. They see it as a mainstream investment. So only time will tell. Of course, the wider crypto market is heavily volatile, but that does not discredit the future potential of these projects and how they will change our current financial system. That's why I encourage all investors, regardless of price, to collect after doing extensive research on the projects that will benefit you the most. Purchase at these prices. This is not financial advice, but you will be pulling your hair out 5 years down the line when you were watching the prices go down and you did not take the opportunity to scoop some up. I can say the same thing about early 2017. When I zoom out from now, we're sitting at a $38,000 Bitcoin. And I remember back in 2017, we were stressing and oohing and eyeing over a $4,000 Bitcoin, a sub-penny XRP, a sub-penny Cardano, a $70 Ethereum. So those were good times. And I'm pretty sure we will have the same feelings about today's prices if you invest now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that will do it for this one. If there is anything you want me to expand on, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. If there's specific content that you want to see, also let me know down in the comments. If you want to join a community that promotes ways you can use the cryptocurrency space to your benefit, go ahead and check our socials down below. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, OnlyFans, Discord, you name it. Have a great day. Have a great week. Happy Monday as well. And I will catch you all on the next one.